Hello students, in this video we will be constructing two circles having two and drawing tangents to each other from exercise 11.2. So what does the question say? The question says draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeters taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeters. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the circle. In other words, what it means is we have two circles. One circle will be bigger than the other. This will be having a 4 centimeters as the radius. Then we have another smaller one having a radius of 3 centimeters. What it's saying is we have to take this entire length of 8 centimeters and from their centers we need to draw the tangents, something like this. Okay, so let's begin by first we'll draw a line segment 8 centimeters. That's it. Give that name A and B as mentioned out here, because the line segment has to be AB. And then taking A as center, we need to draw a circle of a radius of 4 centimeters. Okay, that's 4 centimeters. I'll take A as the center and construct a circle having a radius of 4 centimeters this way. And next I'll take B as the center and construct another circle, but this time it will have a radius of only 3 centimeters. Okay, so here we go. From B construct another circle. This will have a radius of 3 centimeters. Next, what we need to do is draw a perpendicular bisector to both of these circles. So that I'll take, since this is 8 centimeters total length AB, I'll take make sure the length is more than 4 centimeters. That's it. So what we'll do is perpendicular bisector AB here, and then from here extend that arc. Now that we have got the arcs to intersect, we mark the points of intersection, and through the points of intersection we'll draw a line, and that will be our perpendicular bisector to segment AB. There you go, that's our perpendicular bisector. And now that we have got a perpendicular bisector, the point where it meets, which is over here, this will become our new center M. And what we'll do is we'll use M as a center, and one of these will extend out here. This will become our radius then. Okay, and M. Draw a circle this way. It's our new circle. Okay, and then the next job is very easy. We'll mark the points over here. Probably give this name as Q and this as R. This will be, let's say, L. Not L. We'll give this maybe S, and this as T. Okay. Now we are told that we need to construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. So let's connect S to B. Okay. S to B, and I'll connect B to T. This way. Okay. So we have got our two tangents ready. Tangent to this circle. We will construct a tangent now to this circle from the center A. So I'll join A to Q. Here. And I'll join A to R. Here you go. So now we have our tangents ready. So we were asked to construct two circles having different radii. This circle having a radius of 4 centimeters, and this circle having a radius of 3 centimeters. Then we constructed a perpendicular bisector to draw another circle. Once we had drawn the circle, all we had to do was join the center of one circle to the draw tangent from the center of one circle to the circumference of the other circle, and we did this for both the circles. Okay, so that's all in this construction and in this video. If you like watching this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.